So standard size of a patio door, there's various different standards. So like just in the world of building, you'll say that's a 5-foot patio door, and we're referencing the width. That's a 5-foot door. That's a 6-foot door. That's an 8-foot door. That's a 9-foot door. That's a 10-foot door. That's a 12-foot door. That's a 16-foot door. And those are standard. But the truth is, they're not standard. The different manufacturers have different sets of standard. And then there's the height. So like, is it a 80-inch height, door, which is what they reference in building as 6 foot 8 inches or 80 inches, or is it an 8-foot door, which is 96 inches? And I'm referencing the height here. But even when you say that, they don't really make the doors 96 inches. It's like 97 and a half or 95 and 3/4. It's different manufacturers have different heights. With us, everything we do is custom built, so it doesn't matter if they built at a 95 and 3/4 for their standard height, or if they build it at 97 and a half for standard height. Immaterial. We custom build our door to fit inside the existing opening. Now, our salespeople will reference it as that's a 5-foot door, means 5 foot wide, or that's a 6-foot door, which is the most traditional, is a 6-foot wide door. But it doesn't matter how they're referencing. We custom build the door to fit inside that opening, and you can do, and it's really neat. Like one of my favorite things to do now for people is a 4-panel door. So like a 10-foot, a 12-foot, or a 16-foot door system. And it's 4 panels, like just using a 12-foot. It's 4 3-foot panels, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 2 middle ones slide opposing, so you can open it up and have, not quite 6 foot of opening on a 12-foot door to go in and out of your house. And we've done this in several areas where they have in-ground pools or lakes in their backyard or entertainment areas, so that it opens to the outdoor kitchen, and it essentially brings the outdoors indoors, if you will, or vice versa. And they're really neat. It's a very, very dynamic looking product, and it works wonderfully. It's secure, it's efficient, they're easy to operate. And but we can do something as simple as we have a 5-foot sliding door that doesn't work and it's inefficient, and we want to replace that. We do that as well.